10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi there, this is Saktivel welcoming you to another episode of NumberRoyale. Glad to see you all here. We have a lot of people in here. Ajit7854, Kyle, Supersonic, Sagar, Subhash, Rasiga Venkat, Rajamurugan, Scrappy434. Welcome to each and every one of you, and a whole lot more than I can name and give a shout out to each and every one. So welcome, and we've got 8 games today as usual. The first 2 are going to be easy. You could do them with your eyes closed, as you all are experts at this now. And the others are going to be a little bit tricky, but no sweat. You can get, I'm sure you have also used the try samples practice. How many of you have used it? Have you found it to be a little bit useful in getting ready for the match? If you have used it, just let me know through the chat, and then we will get it. We can see how we'll make other changes that are even more helpful to you as we go along. So that's good. So good to see that that's helping you out. So shall we get started? And one more thing, of course, with the conditions that are going around the world, hope you're all staying safe and healthy and keeping your social distance. Wish you all the best. So let's get started on question 1. 7, 8, and a desired result of 15. Just addition and subtraction, 2 possible ways, and you know the drill. I was just thinking if also wanted to get your comments on how easy do you think these things are? Do we need to make them a little bit more difficult? Just give me your thoughts. 8 plus 7 equal to 15, 28 of you. So that's leading point getter. 7 plus 8, that's just 4 of you. So the leader now is at 28 points. Let's move on to question 2. This is going to be decimals. 10.25, 7.5 with a desired result of 2.75. It looks intimidating, but it's pretty simple, right? You just do approximately 10 minus 3 and see what kind of an answer you get. So this is just a skill in estimating. So you don't need to do the amazing. Of course, 28 of you got, there's only one possible correct solution, and 28 of you have gotten that. So the leader doubles his or her points, and everybody is most of you are at 56 points. Let's move on to question 3. 5, 9, 1, and the desired result is 46. Notice that the multiplication operator is in play, so you also have the addition and subtraction. So choose wisely. There are only 4 possible solutions. So let's see whether you're able to exhaust all possible solutions. I don't think we've seen that yet. So maybe this is the time we break the record and use all possible solutions. Amazing. Yeah, you've given all 4 solutions. So 9 times 5 is 45 plus 1 is 46. That's 21 of you. And the other 3 solutions have been given by 4, 2, and 1 people. So that's great. So we're breaking records every day in this Number Royale. So leaders at 77 points. Let's move on to question 4. 8, 1, and 9, and the desired result is 63. So as you would have noticed, we have given you an extra 5 seconds because we threw in multiplication. So we also have a few more new folks in. Mano, Shravan 19 as well have joined us. So Welcome to each and every one of you. I think we have, let's take a look at the results first. This one looked a little bit tricky. Only 14 of you have gotten it right. So there was a 8 minus 1 is 7 and 7 times 9 is 63. So that's the solution. And 12 of you have gotten this. So I'm a bit surprised. So whenever there is subtraction and then division involved, I see that there is a fall off in numbers. So we're seeing some record numbers as well. We've got about 45 people coming in, so that's good. I'm glad you are inviting your friends and getting them involved in it and sharing the fun. So let's move on to question 5. "17, 14, and 2 with a desired result of 62, and there are 4 possible solutions. Once again, addition, multiplication, and subtraction are in play. If there is, I noticed that Shaker is saying that there is some difficulty in playing. I'm suspecting that this has to do with your internet speed and connection. So I think that you need to ensure that you have good connections. There are 3 out of the 4 possible solutions have been given. 17 plus 14 is 31, times 2 is 62. 7 of you have given that. So the leader now is at 96 points. And let's move on to 4 questions. Question number 6. These are 4 numbers: 8, 3, 1, 4, and the desired result is 8. And there are 150 possible solutions. If you're losing the connection, there's not a whole lot that we can do about it. I'm sorry about that. You have to ensure that you have a good Wi-Fi or a cellular connection and stay on. So it's a little bit disheartening, but please make sure. So 10 out of the 150 solutions have been given. The leader has 11 points, and the leading point getter in this particular problem is 11. That's 8 minus 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8. So that's the leading point getter. The leader is at 107 points. So compared where you are, you have 2 more puzzles to catch up on. So just get warmed up, and let's go on to question number 7. 24, 1, 11, and 18 with a desired result of 16. There are 60 possible solutions, just addition and subtraction in play. So don't worry about multiplication and division. They are grayed out. All right. So you can get, it's a little bit big numbers, double digits, not too big. So I'm sure you can handle it pretty easily. So what do you think? How many solutions do you think we're going to get out of you this time? Our 60 solutions are the total, and we get 4 out of the 60. It's not bad. And the leading point getter in this puzzle is 13. That's 24 minus 8 is 6. 11 plus 6 is 17 minus 1 is 16. So congratulations to you for getting those 13 points. The others are, I think, 6 and 6. So pretty equal, a fairly equal distribution. And so let's move on and try to get question number 8. I believe this may have multiplication thrown in. So 9, 7, 11, and 2. And this may be too easy for you. And so looks like the solution is pretty obvious. So I think you can all jump in and get those solved. And I see a comment that it's unable to play so fast. Once the match is over, you can use the try samples and practice, right? Get better. It's just like anything else. You get better as you spend more time and practice on it. 10 possible solutions out of the 120 have been given. The leading point getter is 9, and the leader is at 122 for the entire match. So you can, as I said, you can practice a little bit more. We have given you the try samples. So just warm up a little bit before the match, maybe 10-15 minutes before, or even half an hour before the match. Get started. and after the match, just practice. You'll get better at it. And I know that we have had people solve these things in 4 or 5 seconds. So we're giving you plenty of time and plenty of practice. So make good use of it. So let's go take a look at who the winners are today. There are 21 people who are sharing the bounty at about 24 cents a piece. So let's go take a look at LA Sheds at 122, Ratna MJ at 119, Tejas at 116 points, Durai and Rasiga Venkat follow next. So congratulations to each and every one of you who played. We had more players today than ever before, and let's try to go to the next milestone soon. And so each one of you have won 24 cents. That's roughly about 20 rupees or so. So that's a good haul for about 5 to 10 minutes of your time. I hope you all enjoyed the match, and congratulations to each and every one. We will look forward to seeing you tomorrow. This is Saktivel signing off today, reminding you, without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero, play Number Royale every day. See you tomorrow.